everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to reset your password for Genshin Impact. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser. In the address field at the top, type in genshin.mihoyo.com and press enter. Go and click on the official site at the top right. Now go to the top right hand corner one more time and click on the login button in order to end up in the login area. Type in your username or your email address in the text box that appears at the top. Once you do that, head over to the password field. If you happen to remember your password during the process, type it into the text box. If you don't, you can click on this forgot password link right beneath the login button. On the next page, you'll need to type in your username or your email address one more time. Click on the next button after you're done. Now, you'll need to enter the verification code that will be sent to your email address. Open up a new tab, go to your email provider. In your inbox, you'll be able to see an email from mihoyo.com. Simply go ahead and copy the code that has been sent to you and paste it into the verification code text box. Click on the next button after you're done. Now on the next page, you'll get to choose a new password for yourself. Type in the new password that you would like to change to and confirm the password by retyping it again in the next box. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner and finally click on the confirm button in order to reset your password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to reset your password to a new one. Now, next time you log into your account, you'll need to enter the new password that you just reset to. Click on the login button and that is it. That is how you'll be able to reset to a new password for Genshin Impact if you've forgotten your password details while logging into your account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.